This is PowerShell Breakdown Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 of my favorite keyboard shortcuts to make your use of PowerShell faster and more efficient. The first keyboard shortcut that I'm going to show you is to use the up arrow key to cycle through the previously entered commands. Here we can see that I've previously entered the get-net IP address command. If you don't want to type that in again, you can hit the up arrow key and it will bring that command back to the line. You can continue to press the up arrow to cycle through your command history. If you've passed your desired command, use the down arrow key to go backwards. The next shortcut is probably the most time-saving shortcut on the list. Press the tab key to auto-complete the current word. If I begin to type get-net IP and hit tab, PowerShell will auto-complete the command to get-net IP address. It works the same with parameters. Begin typing -inter, press the tab key, and it will auto-complete the parameter interface index. With interface index, there are a potentially large number of inputs, but only 2 for address family, IPv4 and IPv6. Using tab autocomplete will then show the first available input. I can then continue to press the tab key to cycle through the available parameter inputs. If you already passed your desired selection, you can hold the shift key while pressing tab to cycle backwards. The next shortcut is to use the home key to move the cursor to the beginning of a line. Use the end key to move the cursor to the end of a line. This is helpful for a command like get-net IP address, where I can move my cursor to the beginning of a line, press delete, and then replace the G with an S to use the set-net IP address command with the previously used parameters. Along the same lines, if I wanted to clear everything to the left or right of the cursor, I can hold the control key while pressing the home or end keys. To clear the entire line, press the end key to move the cursor to the end of a line, and then control home to clear. Holding control and using the left and right arrows moves the cursor to the beginning of the next word. With get-net IP address, the words are separated with a dash or hyphen. Similarly, if you wish to remove entire word blocks, hold Control and use backspace to clear words to the left, and hold Control and press Delete to remove word blocks to the right of the cursor. Last but not least is my personal favorite. That is the Control-Space combination to bring up the menu of available options. These are all the parameters that I have available for the get-net IP address command. It even shows you the type of parameter in the bottom left corner. In this case, -IP address takes an array of strings. To navigate, use the up, down, left, and right arrows to highlight the desired selection and hit enter to make the selection. To exit the menu without making a selection, simply press the backspace key. And PowerShell is a great tool, but it can be frustrating if you can't navigate the shell very quickly, so hopefully these shortcuts will make your experience better. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.